Do you ever feel like everyone is watching you? Like when you walk outside, people are looking at your clothes, judging you. Or when you speak English, your heart starts beating fast and you think, they are waiting for me to make a mistake. Maybe you feel like people are laughing at your accent, your grammar, your voice. Let me tell you something very honest, something that changed my life. Nobody is thinking about you. Yes, nobody. I know that sounds a little sad at first, but listen carefully. People are not thinking about you because they are busy thinking about themselves. They are thinking, do I look good? Did I say something wrong? Why is my life not better? Everyone is the main character in their own story. And in their story, you are just someone walking in the background. So why are you so afraid? Why are you holding yourself back? Why are you staying quiet when you want to speak? Most people live like they are inside a cage. But here's the truth. The door is already open. You are not trapped. You are just afraid to walk out. And this fear comes from three big problems. 1. Comparison. You look at other people and think, they are better than me. But you are comparing your real life to their highlight reel. You see their best moments, but you feel your worst moments. That's not fair to you. 2. Attachment. You stay with people who don't respect you because you're afraid to be alone. You tell yourself, bad company is better than no company. No, it's not. If your happiness depends on someone else, you will always be afraid to lose them. 3. Overthinking. This is the biggest one. You think too much. What if I fail? What if they laugh? What if I sound stupid? And because of that, you do nothing. Listen, you cannot think your way into a new life. You can only act your way into one. If you want to stop being afraid, start living by these rules. Rule 1. Be honest with yourself. Stop pretending. Stop hiding. Be real. The right people will stay. The wrong people will leave. And that's okay. Rule 2. Move in silence. Don't talk about your goals. Talk about your results. Let your actions speak, not your words. Rule 3. The 10-year question. Ask yourself, will this matter in 10 years? If the answer is no, don't give it more than 10 minutes. Rule 4. Follow your fear. Fear is not telling you to stop. Fear is telling you this matters to you, so go towards it, not away from it. Rule 5. Respect yourself first. If you treat others like kings and treat yourself like nothing, they will look down on you. Stand tall. Respect yourself. Rule 6. Let go of the past. Going back to toxic people is like taking a shower and wearing dirty clothes again. Leave the past where it belongs. Rule 7. Take the first step. You don't need the whole plan. You just need the first step. Move and the path will appear. Rule 8. Think like a scientist. When you fail, don't cry. Say, okay, what did I learn? Failure is not the end, it's data. Rule 9. Trust yourself. That feeling inside you, it knows. If something feels wrong, it is wrong. Trust your gut. Rule 10. Start now. Not tomorrow, not next week, now. You don't need more information. You need action. You have survived every bad day in your life, every pain, every mistake, every failure. You are still here. That means you are stronger than you think. There's a hero inside you, but that hero only shows up when you stop running away. Now I want you to do something brave. Don't just watch this and leave. Go to the comments and write, I am taking the first step. I don't care if your English is not perfect. I don't care if you feel scared. This is your first action. This is your new life starting right now. Be brave, be kind, and stay fearless. I'll see you in the next episode.